Today, I'm going to show you how to make a juice to support your gut health. Now, if you're bloated after almost every meal, or your stomach is always making noises, those gurgly sounds, or you feel heavy, backed up, like your gut is just not doing you right, I need you to stay and watch this video. I'm going to show you how to make a juice that's going to support your gut. It's called the Purple Probiotic Potion, and you can find it from my book. And I'm going to explain to you why every ingredient in here does a job to support your gut. Let's go. Now, purple cabbage is the star ingredient for this juice, and here's why. It has powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells. It feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, and purple cabbage is a great source of vitamin C, which vitamin C, your body needs it to make collagen for healthy skin, hair, blood vessels, gums, joints, and all. And purple cabbage is over 90% water, making it an excellent ingredient to support hydration. And then we're going to be using a red apple. I like the Fuji apple. Apple contains pectin. That's a special type of fiber that helps feed the good bacteria in your gut. And it also promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms in your intestines. And then we're going to add a lemon. Now, the lemon also gives us vitamin C, and this helps supports digestion, boosts immunity, and vitamin C helps your body to absorb iron better. Now, when we put these three ingredients together, it becomes a powerful juice that supports hydration, digestion, and a healthier gut environment. And all of this together, when you're drinking this, it's going to be amazing. Let's go. So I cut my cabbage into 4 pieces. That makes it easier to go into the juicer. Look how beautiful that color is. That's the anthocyanins that the purple cabbage has. And I cut it into 4 because it's easier for me to use my Nama J2 juicer. But look at this. I'm putting in a whole cabbage, a whole apple, and a whole lemon in this one machine. The Nama J2 is amazing. And did you notice that I left the skin on? Why? Because most of our nutrients are in the skin, even in our lemon. And if you want this Nama J2, you can use the code Debbie90. But I got a treat for you if you stay till the end. Now, tasting this juice, oh my goodness. If you want a real gut healthy juice that tastes good, this Purple Probiotic Potion is the one for you. When we're talking gut health and gut support, you will never go wrong when you're using these ingredients, especially the purple cabbage. Now I got one more thing for you. I'm going to challenge you. I challenge you to make this drink and maybe some other drinks. What the challenge is I'm getting ready to do a 5-day challenge. I'm calling it Hydration Nation. Why? Because we need more hydration in this body. Many of us, 80% of us, are walking around dehydrated and don't know it. And you're walking around with your bottles of water, but your body is not absorbing it. So for 5 days, I am going to show you a recipe. You follow it, you tag me, and here's the incentive. After the 5th day and the 6th day, somebody is going to win this Nama J2 juicer. Now that's an incentive for you to get healthy. What I'm promoting is healthy habits, a healthy change, a healthy you. So if you want to win a $600 Nama J2, that's a reason alone to say, yeah, let's do this. So I'm going to challenge you. You think you're hydrated? Let's see. All of the information is coming. Just stay tuned.